Hi, I am Joy, and there's always joy in cooking. Today we will make something exciting and delicious, and that is pistachio cream cheese. Okay, so first of all, we will make our crust. I have here graham crackers, 1 pack of graham crackers. I am using this one. We will try this one, stevia, and then no, just 1/2 teaspoon of stevia and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, tilawan ko lang kung nanon sa burya kay for our diabetic and very sweet friends and relatives. Mayari na kong stevia nga ginhatag ni Tutu and Bibing. Okay. We'll add our melted butter. Add ko lang kapos lang the usual cream cheese that you make. Okay. Next, I will blend, no? And then, once it is fully blended, I will press this onto our prepared pans. The pan I'm using is spring-form pan so that it can release quite easily. And I am using parchment paper. I lined it with parchment paper even up to the sides. Okay. So, dali lang gid kay man. Ikuan ko lang. Mix ko na ha. So here is our prepared crust. No? So we will put this aside and then tap. So we will use the wire whisk to blend our ingredients for the cream cheese filling. Oh, okay, there. 1, 2, 3. Yan. I have here cream cheese. This is 650 grams of cream cheese. And then I soften this for more than 2 hours. Sobra pa gadi ko 2 hours. And again, I'm using this one for sugar. And this is pila? 1/2 tablespoon. So I will blend this now. We will add 5 eggs, one at a time. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we will scrape the sides because there are and they are not reached by the wire whisk. So again, come on, panaog kada, panaog kada. And then we will add the cream. Okay, so mula na. Very easy. Okay, done. So we will wait until our crust is set and cooled. And then what we will do now is we will strain this so that we will come out with something very smooth cream cheese layer. Okay? So, dali lang. Kay is-save ko pa ini. Dali lang ha. Now, we will sieve the cream cheese layer. We will use a strainer. It has to come out clean. At kali ba? Mm. It will take a long time for this to be finished. So, dali lang. Okay, so here is our cream cheese mixture. We'll add it to our prepared pan. We'll distribute it equally so that it will cook at the same time. Yan. Okay. Okay. Madali lang. So, we'll put this in the oven. Madali lang. So, this will go to the oven. Dali lang. Hello. So, this is our baked cheesecake. Yee, look at that. So, nagbatok-batok. So, I'll just remove this one. That's on. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful. Ah, 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 ah. So kanami, so nice. Okay. Ilang na ato no brahon no, lang. I still have one there. And then we will use this pistachio cream. Yay! Basta gid sa kilid-kilid. Do hindi lang no, dahil lang sta. I, i, i. Okay. Dahil lang ipidon ta ni do hindi nit. Do hindi nit ka tsura niya. Dahil lang. So dali lang ha. Come back to you. I am just trying to garnish this with our chopped pistachio. Okay. Okay. Okay, sige na. You're done. Dali lang gid ha. Break. So, here is our pistachio cream cheesecake. I just garnish it with cherries para nga daw to look festive. Okay, so here. Kaunta everyone. Thank you for watching.